Gold and silver prices are exploding. Gold just surpassed $5,100 and silver $110. And most of you guys, unfortunately, either will miss the opportunity or will be trapped in prices and will lose money again if you are not aware of what is coming. Keep in mind one date. 1st April of 2026 will change everything about silver and silver prices for the future, and also the gold prices will change dramatically from now on. So personally, I'm investing. I'm already 40% up on silver and 10% up on gold, and I will share with you my strategies about silver and gold, what exactly I'm doing, how I'm investing, and also why the rally has just started. So first, you have to understand why gold and silver prices are skyrocketing like never before. Silver in 2025 was the hottest asset, 185% up, and also in 2026, just in January, it's already 40% up in a rally that some people are expecting just correction, but they are missing a lot of very important data. So the number one reason that silver is skyrocketing like never before is because of the supply shock in the market and the huge tech demand for silver. Silver has a limited supply in the market, which is reduced year by year in the last 5 years and is not expected to increase the supply in the market. But what has been increased dramatically is the demand for silver for AI data centers, for solar panels and electrical vehicles like EVs, electrical cars, etc., like Tesla. And that one, it will just keep rising more and more dramatically in 2026 and also in the next years. So there are several factors, basic factors that you should keep in mind when it comes to gold and silver prices going up from now on. There are things that will not change, will stay stable and will just keep raising up, and there are other things that will change that will affect also positively the prices of gold and silver. So what will change is the world order, which Ray Dalio explains pretty well on its video and says exactly how every 100 years the new currency, dominant currency, will be replaced from another country, etc. So right now, I'm pretty sure that you have been following up and seen the uncertainty that is the geopolitical uncertainty and the possible war between US and China, US and Russia, US, Europe. The geopolitical and the financial war is causing one thing: the central banks, and guess what power the central banks has? The entire economy on their hands. They are literally the ones who print money, so they are keeping their reserves in gold. In the last 18 months, they have been accumulating more and more gold, and more lately in the last few months due to the huge uncertainty, geopolitical uncertainty. And this one, it will just keep raising, and that's what is affecting the gold price. And more the gold price goes up, then also the silver price will follow, because also there is a ratio between gold and silver, which in a normal condition should be 10-1. And right now it's 48-1 between gold to silver at the current price that is right now. And then you have to expect a major correction on the silver price. But when that will happen? Most likely when this ratio between gold and silver will reach 30-1. That's when you can expect some major correction in the silver price. And that's what will make, unfortunately, the retail investors trapped in the short-term price and being feared and thinking that everything will go down now, and that was about the silver, and the rally is gone, and then we should look for something else. And this is exactly where the majority of the people will miss the boat, because that correction will be a healthy correction, will be take profit, will be a new floor for the silver price, and then it will be continuing up again for the next years. Because what is determining the silver price going like crazy? First of all, the silver was very much undervalued, and unfortunately I did miss as well. I was focused more in other investments until last December, and I started investing last December, and I'm now more than 40% up, and I'm going to hold for a very long time, and silver and gold will be part of my portfolio for a very long time from now on, because we're gonna have to change the new world order, which will be a new currency. Maybe it's going to be Bitcoin. I don't know exactly which one, but these changes are happening and are affecting financially everything right now. The three safest assets on the world is Bitcoin, gold, and silver. And of course, I'm accumulating more Bitcoin like never before. And the fact that it's down, the price right now is not above $100 and going new all times, etc., I don't necessarily see as negative. I actually see it as very positive to accumulate more Bitcoin like never before. And I'm accumulating with the number one, the best option right now in discount with Bitcoin mining through my Bitcoin mining company, my personal miners that I mine every single day of my life. And that's my number one strategy to accumulate more Bitcoins for the next 5 years, at least for the next 5 years. So I accumulate more Bitcoin and I'm buying gold and silver as a diversification. And in these cases, in this uncertainty, you don't diversify only in one industry, like between different altcoins and Bitcoin. You have to diversify also in different industries like crypto, stock, metals, precious metals, indices, etc. And that's why also this year I diversified more my investments. I have now Tesla, I have gold and silver, I have Nasdaq 100, which is way better option than S&P 500. In the last 30 years, if you compare the ROI, is way better from Nasdaq 100 than S&P 500, and I added just as a diversification a portion of it in my portfolio. I'm doing that through eToro. If you want to follow me and if you want to watch my investments and see my trades there, see what I hold from my public portfolio, you can join from the link down below in the description. And also you have a welcome bonus for up to $5,000 investment in the eToro. You can earn up to 10% in bonus in Tesla stock. And I guess will not bother you because anyway, Tesla is a huge company as well. And I'm thinking to do a new video about Tesla. Let me know down below in the comment if you have interested on that. And I'll make sure to do it soon because they will have their earnings in 28 January. They will announce their earnings, which will affect the future price of the stock of Tesla. I personally have that on my portfolio, but based on what they will announce, I will make a new decision, new bit of time, if I will increase more my position on Tesla or not. So stay tuned in this channel if you don't want to miss more opportunities, and also you can join to my newsletter for daily updates in the global market, in the global economy, which I will also, of course, keep updating you from this channel with shorts and long videos. You can smash that like button for this video and also subscribe to this channel for more videos like this in the future, because I will just keep on updating more and more on this one. I'll give you guys my best when it comes to the information in the market, the quick update on what is going on in the market, analysis, and the prediction of the next movements of different assets. So you can take full advantage if you want to be a winner in this race. Because from now on, the winners in the investment race are not just the conservative ones that will do some DCA. And of course, as a DCA, they're going to be profitable. But the really winners are going to be the ones who are going to adapt fast the changes that are happening faster than any other time in the industry. And that's what I'm doing personally. So silver and gold has a long way to go more. In a short term, you will see a lot of volatility. You may expect a drop in the silver price. But if you are a long-term investor, you don't need to care much about it. All you have to care is what will be in the next 2, 3, 5 years from now. And that's what I target with all my investments that I'm doing right now. So that's all I got for today. And if you want to start investing in gold, silver, and other type of investments, make sure you check the link down below in the description. Also, you can follow my portfolio on eToro as well. That's all for today's video. See you in the next one.